On today's episode of Is It Sharp, I make Wagyu Indomie instant noodles. I'll be first to admit that I made a slight mistake here. I should have seared a piece of Wagyu ribeye first before doing the butter and garlic basting. But no matter, the end result was still as good as you can see later. First, of course, treat yourself to a fatty and well-marbled piece of steak. Any cut will do. Salt, black pepper, rosemary on both sides of the Wagyu. Brown and crisp it. Feel free to add lots of garlic or no garlic at all. It's up to you. The right way, of course, is to add butter at this point of time to baste it. Ah well, like I said, end result is still good. Let the meat rest. This part is very important. Do not skip the resting. While the steak is resting, prep your instant noodles. Now don't just use any instant noodles. You need something not too savoury like Indomie, which has a slight sweetness to it due to the ketchup manis or sweet black sauce. The sweetness will make the entire dish less gelap or cloy. You know, when a meal is too fatty and rich and you eat too much of it and you feel overwhelmed. Here I add extra condiments like more ketchup manis and chili padi sauce for that extra spicy bite. You can use any sweet or spicy sauce. Now, people will tell you to put your index finger to your thumb and then touch the base of your palm to gauge the doneness. You know, that's absolutely rubbish. The best way is to experiment and to cook steak many times to gain experience to get your perfect doneness. Even with a meat thermometer, it won't be easy. Nothing trumps sheer experience. Chop up the Wagyu steak into cubes. Add it to your noodles. Top it up with a sunny side up fried egg and sprinkle deep fried shallots, and you're done. Now this meal goes well with an ice cold beer. So good. I just love runny yolks. Just look at the runny yolk here. While the Wagyu can be expensive to purchase, by the way, I recommend only Wagyu or any well-marbled beef. This meal is super delicious, simple, easy and quick to whip up. I would have given this a sharpness rating of 9, but it lost points in the beef being expensive. Check out some of my other review videos here. I do all kinds of reviews from tech to cooking and of course swords and knives. Oh yeah, like and subscribe.